up and gave me a thumbs down. Stop playing with me, man. We're going track mode. He's standing up. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back for another crazy video of mine. Oh man, so before we jump into this video, I got a question for you. What is one of the craziest things you've done in a car? What is the craziest thing you've done in a car while driving? Leave in the comments below and I want to rate and see if it matches, you know, the crazy stuff that I do in the car. Obviously, we want to keep it PG. Don't get too crazy in the comments with it. I don't really care to hear about anything outside of fun stuff that's PG. So yeah, this video here, we're going to jump into, you know, something that I've always wanted to do, which is drive my 900 horsepower Hellcat with no seats. You heard that right? No seats whatsoever. And I think before I even get in this car and do this, it's going to be a challenge because I already know with the torque and the power of how the car snatches me back when I'm in the seat, how I can only imagine what it'll do while I'm outside of this, you know, while I'm not in the seat. I don't know just yet what I'm going to think of, but I do have an idea. I'm going to use a bucket as a seat. So I'm going to take out the seats and I'm going to replace it with a seat. So let's go ahead, take the seats out and well, let's see what happens. Let's do it. I'm excited. What we need to do is we need to remove the seats. Now, I'm going to put the camera down on the ground so we can remove the seats. I'm going to use my torque wrench. It's automatic impact with a 10 millimeter. That should allow you to get all 4 screws, 2 in the front of the rail of the seats, 2 in the back of the rail of the seats to get them out. So let's go ahead. And get them out. Whoa. This might not work the way I'm thinking. Whoa. Okay. That feels like that's stripping. What about this side here? Can we... Okay, this one's coming out. This one's coming out. Cool. I gotta figure out that one there in the front, but let's go ahead and get the 2 rear ones out as well. All right, taking out these seats is a little tougher than I thought. Shit. Fuck. I'm gonna get in here now for this one. Okay. This, damn. All right, so we got this one out. Put that in the door so we don't lose them. And now to get back to the one that was just giving me a problem. I'm gonna have to figure this one out. All right, man, getting that last screw out was a B word. Had to hammer in a 10 millimeter, a 9 millimeter onto the screw. Had to use a heavy impact. My other impact didn't really work, but nonetheless, the seat is ready to come out. So let's go ahead and snatch the seat out. I was beginning to get concerned that it wasn't gonna be possible to get the seat out, but here we are. So let's lean it back. And here we have to disconnect the wires underneath before I snatch it out. 2 clips. And bring your butt here, seat. Damn, the seat heavier than I expected. Oh, got charger cables connected to it. This seat is way heavier than I thought it would be. Okay. So there you have it. The seat's out. Wristbands. It's amazing what you'll find under your seat. So the seats is out, and now it's time to drive. All right, guys, so we got the seats out of the car. It fought me, but we got them out. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like inside of the car with the seats out. This is what it looks like. And quite honestly, this is going to be an interesting drive. So I did figure out what I wanted to use. So I'm going to put a bucket in there. It's my little makeshift project. I'm gonna put a bucket in there. I probably need to put it back a little further, but we're gonna sit there with it because we probably need to get close. And this towel is gonna be my cushion. That is the cushion. Now, all right, so before we get into this car, this is just for pure fun. Do not try this at home if you don't know what you're doing. I am not encouraging anyone to do this, but it is fun. And well, we're going to see if it's fun. And the reason I'm doing this is to see, you know, what the torque, well, how the torque feels without the cushions of the seats. How much lighter the car is. I probably need to weigh them seats just to see how much each of those seats weigh. Actually, let me Google that. How much does the front and side passenger seat of a Hellcat weigh? About to see in 2 seconds. So these seats are 60 pounds each. So I just reduced the weight of this car by 160 pounds, between 50 and 60 pounds. So averaging around 100 or 120 pounds with just those 2 seats. They were heavy, I can tell you that. They didn't feel like no 50-pound dumbbells. They felt a little heavier than that, but maybe because the weight distribution is a little different, that's how it worked out. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna jump in this car. Again, I'm doing this for my pure excitement and thrill. This is not something to do at home. Let me repeat that for the 3rd time. This is not something for you to do at home. This is definitely an experiment for me, and I wanna share it with you guys. So let's jump into it. All right, so we're getting in this bad boy. Got my bucket seat. Oh. It is a little high. Yeah, we gotta pull this seat back because my legs is long. So we're gonna go ahead and sit in the back. And I should be able to to, yeah, drive this bad boy. I now see how Shaq felt in his chapel. Last minute check for everything. Got the phone, got that, got this, got that. Cool. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This bucket is not comfortable. I'm gonna tell you that right away. The bucket is not comfortable. Alright, so we're about to head to the store. The fact that my head is on the roof is crazy. And this bucket is like rocking. This is weird. Yo. I'ma try this bucket like, I'm scared to press the gas. I'm gonna have to hold, I gotta hold with two hands. Okie dokie. Like, yeah. I see what the 10 and 2 is for. It's like when I'm taking a curve, yo, the seat wants to turn. All right, let me try to reposition myself. And that's gonna go off. So if you hear that, it's gonna go off because I don't have a seat belt in here. Oh my God, this is weird. Alright, I'm gonna hold on to the center console. I'm gonna try to make this comfortable. Okay. It's like when your body's just so free. Yeah, this would be bad. But it's fun. Alright, so I'm gonna wait till I get on the straight road where there's no cars before I do some pulls, because I really want to know what it feels like. Oh my God, this seat's leaning. The bucket's leaning. That's nuts. Whoa. Feel like the car is lighter. We're gonna go ahead and put this in sport mode. We're not gonna do track mode, we're gonna do sport. I don't even want to put it in. I gotta hold on. I got to hold on to the center console. That is annoying. How do you silence that? Experience. Man, yeah, okay. It feels good. Is this exactly what I thought it would be? Hell, I don't even know what I thought it would be, but it's exactly what I thought it would be. And drivetrain, I can feel everything. It's insane what a seat can do. Like, realistically, what a seat can do, and the feelings that it can take away from all the cushion and padding. I want to try to see if I can get a pull on somebody. I want to see if I can get a pull, and I can win a pull in this bucket. I promise you I'm gonna have to be like this though. Even the brakes like got me wanting to fly forward. So far, on turns, I have to hold on to the center console to give myself position, because if I don't, then I'll be leaning like this. And I can't lean and turn the car. Yeah, that's not good. Coming around a turn, I can't lean and turn the car. So I'm using the center console to kind of keep myself centered. Because if I don't, then I'll literally be in the passenger seat and in the other lane. See, now I gotta pull as I'm turning this way onto traffic. I gotta pull. This is crazy. Man. So far, tell me what you like in the comments, what you don't like. Would you do this? Would you experiment and do something like this? I mean, imagine pulling up to a car meet and everybody's like, oh man, your car is dope, and then you open the doors and there's no seats in here. I think you would get a lot of attention. And just a bucket. I'm literally sitting on a bucket. I'm driving on a bucket. I don't even know how I come up with half this stuff, but I do. You know, so. All right, what else do I notice, Rod? What else do you notice? I notice the torque. Probably said that already, but the torque, the brakes, the turning. Other than that, it's really a smooth ride. I still feel like I have control of the car. Oh, another thing, I'm long. Well, it probably would work for somebody shorter too, but my seat's damn near, like, I'm practically almost in the back seat. So, see, like right here, I gotta turn. On these turns, I have to grab this center console. If I do, I feel like the bucket is about to slide from up under me. There's no stability with the bucket. Also, there's no stability on my leg. Normally when I drive, I can kind of lean my leg up against the center console where the shifter is. I can't even do that, so I'm like literally straining, using muscles to keep my leg straight and upright, whereas before I can lean it up against the center console and just be relaxed. So this is starting to turn into a little leg workout for me, I'm not gonna lie. Leg and arm, but only on the right side. Right leg, right arm. This is a thrill. This is a thrill, for sure. Oh my God. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in cruise control for a little bit because I really gotta let my leg, like, I have to let my leg rest a little bit. Golly. Woo. Second. it's like in my calf and in quads. It's a calf and quad workout. Now I'm gonna use the left leg here to brake in the event that I need to brake. So with this bucket, I'm gonna have to drive with 2 feet, 2 legs. Brake with the left when in cruise control. When in normal driving, use the right to brake and accelerate. I really want to pull up to a gas station and see, you know, get some reviews of some people, but where I'm headed right now, probably not going to be able to do that because I don't need gas. I hate going to the gas station if I don't need gas. Hell, I hate going to the gas station when I need gas. Okay, let's see if I can accelerate a little more. Let's get out of cruise control. Let's turn it up a notch. Okay, that was a much higher speed. Much higher speed. And like I said, on a straight line, it's perfect. Note to self, put more cushion on the bucket. Note to self, gotta have more cushion for the bucket. Update, I'm not gonna lie, I probably shouldn't have taken a 20-minute drive on this damn bucket because my butt getting sore, I ain't gonna lie. Like all the torque, the stopping, the going, the rumbling. Like, cause I'm not making it any better right now, but I don't know. Just don't. It's interesting. My butt's sore. Shit. I got a sore butt. I can't even like. With the seat, I'll be able to have a phone, do all this other extra stuff, man. I can't. I gotta like lock in. I gotta focus. See? Like if I don't, I'll lean this way. So I'm gonna lean this way because it's a slow turn. But and then it comes back. And then it definitely wants to lean forward. So me braking allows the bucket to lean forward. Oh! And then of course everything in the car is flying all over the place. I gotta. Oh, I didn't grab the center console. Oh. Take a hard turn. Oh, I bust my ass. Gotta really baby this thing. Now I gotta take this long drive back. Sheesh. Ouch. Can't even go over the speed bumps. This shit really hurts. Let me go slow. Okay. Okay. That felt better. All right, so I made it to where I am, and I'm sore. I'm not gonna lie, I'm just sore. That's all I got for right now. Now, when I get back in the car, I'm gonna try to drive the car without the bucket and see how that works. Now, if it doesn't work well for me, I promise you I'll pull over and and I put the bucket back. But I think it's gonna be some really strong legs. I'm gonna have some strong legs when I'm done. All right, so, was it in there? Put that there. I'm gonna try to make it out the parking lot with no bucket. So how this is going to look is about to be crazy as fuck. I guess I'm gonna drive like this. I'm gonna have to sit on my heel, drive like this. Okay, not too bad. I might actually have better control now that I'm not on the bucket. Okay, I can already tell my leg gonna go to sleep. Shit. Oh yeah, I feel comfortable already. Whoa, not really. Okay, we sliding. We sliding. I don't think I'm gonna make it all the way back. Cause, wait a minute. I'm tripping. Wait a minute. Hold up. I'm creasing the fuck out of my sneakers. Damn. Doing too much. Doing too much. Shit. I ain't gonna lie, that just pissed me off low key. That just low key pissed me off. Because of the seat. Alright, let's look up. I'm trying to get comfortable. I can't get comfortable. Alright. Okay. I feel like, because I can barely see over the steering wheel, I feel like one of those kids who takes like their parents' cars and goes for a joyride. That's what I feel like. I'm hungry. I want to go to Panera Bread. Oh boy. This is worse than the seat. The bucket. This is worse than the bucket. This is worse than a bucket. I'm not even gonna lie. It's uncomfortable. Yeah, could I get the I don't even know why I'm doing this and I know what I want. Could I do the Chipotle chicken avocado melt? I don't want any peppers or onions on that.
It comes with zesty sweet peppers and no onions.
So no peppers?
Yes. You want me to take off the peppers?
Yes.
All right. And is that a whole or a half?
You can make it a half.
All right. The half. Anything else for you today?
Just a cup of water.
And is that with a side of chips, apple, or bread?
You could do chips.
Alrighty, and do you have a phone number with Panera?
No.
What's that phone number?
I don't.
Oh, I'm so sorry. It'll be 885. You're welcome to come around, okay?
Thank you.
Of course.
Man. Wow, this shit painful. I'm pissed off about my sneaker, by the way. Okay. I don't think she noticed that I don't have a seat in here or a passenger seat. They are moving so slow, and it's like 8 people in the kitchen. I don't think the no bucket. I'm gonna say the no bucket thing ain't gonna last long. I creased up my sneakers, which is not a problem because I got another pair, but damn. Yep. I had a cup of water.
Yeah.
Try to check your shit before you pull off. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Always got to take a bite before you pull off. Always. Rule number 1. And now we're back to driving. What? Oh my God, I gotta get comfortable. My big long ass gotta get comfortable. Turn here, we good. Oh my God. This ain't it. This ain't it. This ain't it. No. No. And I feel, no. I ain't gonna lie, I need my bucket back. That's not gonna get it done. Oh my God. Oh my God. Damn. That's not gonna get it done. I'm sorry, I tried. That's just not gonna get it done. I need my bucket back. Hell no. We got action. I got a motorcycle wanting problems with me. Somewhere. Let's go. All the power's in the bucket. Ooh, she getting to it too. Nah, you're not doing that to me. Hold on. You're not about to try to violate me. I'm gonna pull up next to him and talk to him. And gave me a thumbs down. Stop playing with me, man. We're going track mode. He's standing up. gonna catch him? He's in the lanes. How am I gonna catch him? Her too. Shit. That's dope though. That's dope. Get out the way. Come on. I got a bike to catch. Let's see if I can switch over. Let's see if I can do it. He was taunting me. I don't like to be taunted. You're not gonna taunt me. Shorty, I will catch you. He's stunning right now. I gotta get him. He looking back and everything. Yeah. Beat on that little bike now. I'm gonna miss my exit just so we can have fun. She like this. That's fire. Like she in anime. I fucks with it. Yeah, shorty. Oh, remember the bucket. Can't take turns. Your gut feeling tell you to chill out, your intuition tells you need to chill out, that's exactly what the hell you should do, is chill out. So I'm gonna let him have it. I done had fun with him for a second. I'm gonna let him have it. But that was fun. But she was riding the hell out that bike. She was in like her own world, like, can't explain it. Damn, that was fire. That was fire. I ain't gonna front. That was some swag on a bike. It's shit like that makes me want to get a bike. Crazy. Crazy. Formation, they are not breaking formation. That was my exit. I missed it. Damn. Hey guys, that ride was a little unexpected. What I expected was a little bit more comfort to that ride, but that ride was completely uncomfortable. I damaged my sneaker, which got me a little pissed off about. But that ride was completely unexpected, but it was a thrill all in the same, right? Especially when I caught up with the motorcycles and we started to have a little fun. That's what made it really fun for me. It's kind of crazy, you know, you do dumb things when you have free time. And apparently I might have just a little bit too much free time, but I wouldn't recommend this to anyone else, honestly. The comfort of this thing is not where it needs to be. It's easy for you to make a mistake while driving on the highway with other cars. You can potentially get into an accident, especially, you know, if you don't really, you know, are an experienced driver, let me say that. But even experienced drivers sometimes are unexperienced in situations like that. So Yeah, I wouldn't recommend this to anybody, man. My butt hurts. I'm gonna go take an ice bath now. But before you go, guys, you know, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn the notification bells on and share this video with a friend. For anyone who's thinking of doing something quite silly as you know, and that's driving around a car with no seats. Until the next time, man, I'm Red Eye Ride, and I'm out.